This is for anyone who is struggling at the moment. It doesn't matter what you're struggling with. There is nothing more important for us to do than to listen to you right now. You're the one that needs the help, and we understand because we've been there. It's never about the drugs, the alcohol, gambling, food, sex. It's never about any of that. There is something else at the root of it all, and our job is to figure out, well, what's really going on here? And then, well, what do we do about it? The starting point is that you need to feel safe with us. Then we'll deal with all of the other stuff. Don't worry about all of the things going on in your life. You can keep your cell phone, you can keep your laptop. We'll deal with all the external things as they come up. Court cases, divorces, employers, businesses, we'll sort all that stuff out. We know how hard it is for you, but we want to talk about all the things which you can't speak to anyone else about. Being bullied, being molested, raped, having dysfunction in your family, parents getting divorced, parents that drank too much, parents that worked too much, or parents who are just generally absent. We can speak about anything and everything. Abortion, miscarriages, losing a loved one, being abandoned, or anything else which has hurt you. Even something as simple as moving schools when growing up or moving to a new city when you were a child could have had an insane effect on you. These problems don't just go away, they stick around for a very, very long time. Just one of these things, no matter how small you think they are, can traumatize you. Now, trauma leaves you with an inability to cope, and it also results in pain. So now there's pain that you can't cope with. So you either need to medicate it or there'll be symptoms. Anxiety, depression, and other dysfunction, well, those are the symptoms. And the drugs, alcohol, and all that other stuff, well, that's just self-medication. It's not about who to assign the blame to, because that doesn't matter. Parents do the best that they can. Bullies don't know any better, and even in the most blameworthy cases, it still doesn't achieve anything to say, well, I'm like this because of you. So all that we can do is look at the reality of what happened and then take it from there. By not blaming people, we can also restore families to a place of happiness, or sometimes give them happiness for the first time in their lives. If you're losing your life to drugs, alcohol, or anything else, then essentially what you're saying is that no matter how bad it gets, it's still better than being sober. For all the specifics around what we do and how we do it, just give us a call or drop us an email. We'll explain it all there.